Hello everyone. Medical biotechnology is a newly emerging and highly exciting field of science about which I would like just to highlight a few recent developments. As many of you might know, the Nobel Prize in 2020 was given to these two researchers, Jennifer Doudna and Emmanuel Charpentier, for the discovery of the CRISPR tool, which allows precision genome editing. So this is a really novel and potentially game-changing development in biotechnology. Itself, this tool, which has been discovered and developed ever since, allows precision genomic engineering, even in vivo. So that's within, for example, an adult human body. And the changes, of course, are also biotechnologically relevant. There are still many challenges and many issues to be solved, but this seems to be today one of the tools of future medicine with which already trials are going on. Other genomic manipulation tools are also present, but this is what will be widely usable in this field. Again, SARS-CoV-2 vaccines are an example of recent biotechnological developments. These are fruits or results of decades of biotechnological developments, although only, of course, came to highlight in 2020, but almost 30 years of research and development is behind, for example, the messenger RNA vaccines, and deep knowledge of molecular biology and biochemistry of cells and biotechnologic approaches and protocols is needed to develop and to produce such a vaccine which is effective against this virus. Another very important field in medical biotechnology is the so-called personalized medicine. Personalized medicine is the field where you make a genetic profiling of a patient, and based on this genetic profile, you can choose between available therapies. So you don't do trial and error, for example, try to treat the patient with different treatments and see what is working in the case of the given person, but you do a genetic screen, which is already relatively cheap and fast, and based on the results of the genetic background, you can already choose the treatment which is most effective, which is likely the most effective for the given patient. And 2020 also saw the development and the breakthrough in the prediction of three-dimensional protein structures. As you might well know, proteins are one of the most important building blocks of life, and the so-called sequence structure paradigm was one of the great large unsolved problems in biology, namely the prediction of the three-dimensional structure of a protein molecule from its one-dimensional sequence, the order of its constituent amino acids. And artificial intelligence-based prediction methods were able to crack this code in 2020. And now we are able to do relatively precise and accurate predictions on a large scale, meaning the proteomes of full organisms can be reliably predicted using this tool. Of course, again, lots of developments are still ahead, but a major leap has been done in recent years. This is also a very good example of a combination of a biological knowledge, biological problem, which has been solved using computational, state-of-the-art computational tools. What do we offer in the medical biotechnology master course? An important aspect is that it is done in close cooperation with Semmelweis University, which is a medical university. So this is what ensures that we are close to a clinical setting and close to patients and close to clinical samples also. We have basic courses, of course, in advanced molecular biology, physiology, biophysics, laboratory practice in recombinant DNA techniques, and we also offer knowledge and courses in tumor and stem cell biology, and specialized in signal transduction, etc. So basically all aspects of molecular biology and biochemistry. We also offer studies in bioinformatics, which are important for the analysis of molecular data. Our two specializations reflect this duality. One of them is molecular biotechnology, which is more focused on the laboratory work, for example, molecular diagnostics and bionanotechnology and methods in tumor biology, for example. And the other specialization is applied bioinformatics, which focuses on data analysis, where primarily molecular data, for example, data from DNA sequencing, are analyzed, and the tools for this analysis are taught. But of course, we also teach structural bioinformatics, which means the integration of biological data at the level of protein structures. Medical biotechnology starts every February and lasts 4 semesters. There is an internship included, which is compulsory. It is usually performed or done at a company, but also can be done in a research environment. And of course, the students have to write a thesis work, which can be about experimental work and or computational work, depending on the research team the student joins. We have lots of possibilities. We offer a list to our students from which they can choose the topics, but they can also choose a topic provided it is approved by the head of the program that is not in the list. So it's not a closed list, and many of our students work at external institutes like Samuels University or other research institutes. After graduation, many of our medical biotechnology students choose to pursue a PhD, but they are also welcome at many companies doing, for example, molecular diagnostics or other aspects of biotechnology, and both in the research area and both at companies, they can find their future career path. Why study at our faculty? We are offering a unique combination of staff working in various fields of biology, molecular biology, and informatics. And the combination, the intersection of these two fields, as bionics is itself the intersection and combination of these two fields. Basically, all of our lecturers at the Medical Biotechnology Master actively pursue research in areas, and the lecturers from Samuels University provide the necessary extra clinical experience. And we also have a wide network of cooperating research groups. And of course, we are a friendly faculty who welcome all the students who wish to learn and study and do research at us. Thank you very much.